In this video, I will be showing you guys how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. So what you have to do is press and hold on the clock app. When the options appear, you will see an option to create an album, but above it, you'll notice a small icon. If you tap on the icon at the top left, it will switch back to default clock. But if you want a different style, just select the one next to it, which will give you a digital clock that is larger in size. If you'd like even more customization, press and hold anywhere on your screen, click on the option Edit, then select the option Add Widget. Now here you're gonna find tons of widget options, scroll down and find clock. And you'll see multiple options like digital clocks, world clocks, and clocks for different cities. If you want to add a world clock with various time zones, all you have to do is click on the option Add Widget, and it will be added to your home screen. You can then customize it by adding different cities to track the time of your loved ones in different places. So this way you can easily change the clock icon on your home screen on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.